Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Boxy Luxe. They started this in the month of September, and I was one of the ones that was able to get it. I know there was like a limited supply, so I already know what's inside of here, but I promised myself that the next Boxy Luxe that I get, I'm going to wait and open it on camera. So I already know what's in here, but I promise you, the next one I get, I'm going to do it in front of, unbox it in front of the camera. So yeah, this box right here is a lot bigger than the regular Boxy Luxe box. I wish I still had the other Boxy Luxe, like the regular size that you get every month. So let me just give you some feedback on this. So this box right here, you pay an extra $28.99, I want to say, $28.99, and every 3 months you get this box. So I got this box in September, and the next one I get will be in December. You still get the little boxes every month, but not the third month. The third month instead you get this. So what I do is I have it signed up you can do either pay every month, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every year. I have it set up so I pay every 3 months. So I pay $50 something for 3 months, and then you pay an extra $28.99 for this big box, which is a steal because this box is valued over, I want to say like $300 is what I added it up to. It's well over $300. I technically paid due 21 plus $28.99. I technically paid $50 for this box, so right there I saved $250. So yeah, let's just jump in. I just wanted to give you guys some details in case you're more curious, or not curious, if you're thinking about signing up for this and you kind of want to, know what's inside, and because I know everyone gets like different stuff. So I'm going to show you what I got, and I'm going to stop rambling, and I'm super excited. So I'll show you everything, I'll swatch stuff, and I'll also show you its retail value. So the first thing that I got was this headband, as you can see right here, and it's one of those like little makeup headbands. Super cute. It's by the Vintage Cosmetics Company, which I've actually seen at TJ Maxx. I actually have a pair of their lashes, and this retails for, take out my little map here, this retails for $4.99. So yeah, I thought this was super cute, and this will definitely come in handy. The next item that the Boxy Luxe people got is this tote, and it says tote's a charmer. This has it doesn't say how much this is, but it came with a tote, and I thought it was super cute. So yeah, we got that. And then we also got this R plus Co Death Valley dry shampoo. This retails for, I believe, $17. Yes, $17, and it has 1.6 fluid ounces. So it's really not that much for $17. I haven't tried it yet or smelt it. I want to smell it. I don't smell anything. Oh, that smells good. That smells so good. So I can't wait to use this, and as I'm spraying it, I don't see any white flakes falling, so that's actually a really good sign that it's not like leaves a white cast in your hair, which I don't know, I haven't tried it yet. But so yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. The next product that I got is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This retails for $70. So right there, this covers this entire box. This is what it looks like. If I can get it out, it looks like this. Also, all of these are full size, nothing is sample size, so there's a steal right there. But so yeah, and then you just pump and the moisturizer comes out, I think. I'm not sure, I haven't tried it yet. But so yeah, that is one of the products that I got. Again, retails for $70. The next product I got is the LUXE 732 Airbrush Foundation Brush. This is what it looks like, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that. Oh my god, it has like perfect little slot for your fingers, as you can see right there. And it's so soft. Oh my gosh, I'm literally in love. This product actually, or this brush actually retails for $38, so that's how you know it's a good brush. The next product that I got, makeup product, is the Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Brighten. This is in the shade Tropic Hues, and this retails for $28, and I'll just swatch it. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I don't even know if you can see it. don't know if you can see it, but that is a gorgeous color. That's so pretty. It's got a nice like sheen to it, but it's not like shimmery, if that makes any sense. So the next product that I got, which I'm super excited about, because as some of you may know, I love the Smashbox Primer Water. So getting a full size of this as a backup, I'm all in for. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water, and it smells amazing. And let's just talk about this packaging though. Oh my god, I'm in love. So I can't really swatch this for you guys, but trust me when I say it's amazing. I absolutely love it. Alright, the next product that I'm pulling out is this, I don't even know how to pronounce this. Let's see if I can find it on this paper. Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set, I think. And these brushes are super soft. They retail for $18. Oh yeah, this Smashbox Primer Water retails for $32, by the way. But this brush set retails for $18. And it comes with like a good variety, like a blending brush, a good like definer brush, like to smudge like a color underneath, and then a nice lid brush. So yeah, it came with like a good variety of brushes to do a full eye look. So I thought that was super cool, and I cannot wait to try it out. The next product I got, which I've been dying to try, is a Violet Voss liquid lipstick in the shade Muse. And I've been dying to try her lip products, so I'm super excited, and it is my kind of color. Look at that. Oh my god. It's so gorgeous. And it doesn't have a scent either. What the heck? That never happens. But yeah, so I'm super excited, and let's just talk about this packaging for a second. It is so freaking cute. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. And this retails for $12. The next product that I got is this. Let me figure out. Sol de Janeiro something sunset oil, glow oil, and this retails for $35. This is what it looks like, and it's so, like, the packaging is gorgeous. I want to swatch this. Oh my god. That is stunning. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like something from Bath & Body Works that I have. Oh my god, that smells so good. I'm literally obsessed. So yeah, it's just like a little glow oil that you can put on your body or your face, wherever you want to put it. Okay, so what I love about this box is that I'll get a bunch of stuff that I would never even think I would try. Like, I would never even think to get this, and I already love it. So it gives you a variety of things that's kind of like out of your comfort zone, and you don't have to worry about splurging on it. Like, I would never pay, what, like $35 for this one product, because it's not something I think I'd use. But now that I got it and kind of got to try it and didn't have to worry about splurging on this one thing, now I like it, you know what I mean? So it's really cool that you get to like try things out without having to worry about splurging on it. So yeah, I thought that was really cool, and I cannot wait to like put that all over my bate. Also, this retails for $35 if I didn't already say that. The next product is this Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette, and this is in Night Tangle, I think. I'm trying to find it on here. Night Tangle Smoky Eye Shadow Palette, and this is what it looks like. Let me just swatch this black. No, stop. What? That's pretty black considering. What? This retails for $35. Let's try this like really pretty color right here. Oh yeah. That is my kind of color right there, ladies. Look at that color. I want to swatch this blue one too. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yup. Yup. Those are my kind of colors right there. And like I said again, like I would never buy like this smoky eye palette because I don't really do a ton of smoky eyes, but now that it came in with this box, I'm so excited to like give it a try and try to do a smoky eye. So I thought that was cool. And last but not least, I got this Tarte Park Ave Princess. This is the Chisel palette, and when I got everything out of this box, I did it with my eyes closed and I picked out each thing, and this was the first thing I grabbed, and I was like, oh my god. Like, I already knew some of the things that were going to be in here, but I kind of forgot. Oh my gosh, just look at this packaging though. Oh my god, it's literally gorgeous. Like I can use it as a mirror. I can see myself in the back. But so yeah, I'm super excited about this because I don't have a ton of contour palettes, but oh girl, it smells good too. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's so stunning. Oh, I cannot wait. And they're all pretty much mattes besides the shade Carrot and Crown. So that's pretty cool. Let me swatch this Carrot color. And I'll swatch Halo. And I'll swatch that Crown color too. So that's what that looks like. This one is Carrot. Halo's right in the middle, but you can't really see it because it's like a lighter color. And then this one right here is Crown. So yeah, I'm super excited to try that. I like that it has both matte and shimmers. But so yeah, anyways, I'm super excited to try this out on my face and see what it looks like. And yeah, I'm just really excited that I got this. And this retails for $45, so pretty much a steal, just saying. Okay, so I just added everything up that I got in my boxyluxe, and the total came to $335 total for everything. So if that helps you make your decision, there you go. Alrighty everyone, so that completes everything that I got in my boxyluxe box. Like I said, the next boxyluxe that I open, it's going to be a total surprise. I'm not going to know anything that's inside until I open it in front of camera, which is going to be really hard to do because I usually get these on Thursdays and I film on Tuesdays. So that's going to be hard to do, but I'm promising you guys that I'm going to wait. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got a boxyluxe box, let me know in the comments down below. Also with some of the things you got, because I know everyone gets different things. And if you're thinking about signing up for boxyluxe, you totally should. I highly recommend it. I got some great things for 50 bucks and I really can't complain. But so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.